Welcome to Jovila channel. Today we are going to discuss some jobs announced in Saudi Arabia. These jobs are present in Saudi Engineering Group International. So first position announced is supervision engineer. Quantity is 100 and civil, electrical and testing engineers required for this. Engineering degree with at least 5 years and above experience for civil, electrical and testing activities, supervision and evaluation, diagnosis of distribution network equipment work. Second one is safety engineer. Number of quantity is 20. Engineering degree with at least 5 year and above experience with experience in MV equipment installation, supervision work. Third one is operation engineer. Quantity is 100. Engineering degree with at least 5 year and above experience. Experience in operation program required for distribution network equipment. So candidate must have previous experience working on smart field equipment projects, and they must be readily available for immediate mobilization. Candidate must be available in Saudi Arabia are encouraged to apply on these positions. For all the above mentioned positions, candidate must have degree in their respective discipline. Apply with confidence and send their CVs to the following email: careers@segi.com.sa. We hope this video is helpful for you to apply for these jobs, and there is a lot of number of jobs present in this advertisement. So apply and share this video to others, people that want to grab some job. Apply with confidence in these positions. So like our video and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon button to get the notifications of next coming video. Thank you.